respected manager, principal Maulana Faisal Hussain Ashrafi, chief guest Mr. Jamil Ansari, teachers and all my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Amjad Raza, a student of Jamia Shamsia Tegia. My father's name is Munawwar Qadri. I came from Balia. With your permission, I would like to recite a shairi. हमी को कातिल कहेगी दुनिया, हमी को कातिल कहेगी दुनिया, हमारा ही कत्लेआम होगा। हमी को कातिल कहेगी दुनिया, हमारा ही कत्लेआम होगा। हमी कुएं खोदते फिरेंगे, हमी कुएं खोदते फिरेंगे, हमी पे पानी हराम होगा। अगर यही ज़हनियत रही तो, अगर यही ज़हनियत रही तो इस सदी में ना कोई अब्दुल हमीद होगा, ना कोई अब्दुल कलाम होगा। So my dear friends, today I want to talk about a serious issue that affect millions of people. In India, Muslims are sometimes unfairly called extremists or terrorists. This label is very painful and totally wrong and completely injustice for us. We must remember one truth: terrorism has no religion. A criminal represents only himself, not his entire community. Blaming all Muslims for the actions of a few is unfair and harmful. Muslims have always been an important part of India's history and progress. For example, from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam to Ashfaqullah Khan, Muslims have served India with pride. So, why do these negative stereotypes still exist? Many times, misunderstandings, media, narratives, and lack of knowledge create fear. But, the reality is simple. Extremism is a global problem, not a Muslim identity. Islam itself teaches peace, mercy, and justice. The Quran says, من قتل نفسا بغير نفس أو فساد في الأرض فكأنما قتل الناس جميعا. This means whoever kills an innocent person, it is as if he killed all of humanity. Allah Almighty says other place in the Holy Quran, وَلَا تَزِرُ وَازِرَةٌ وِزْرَ أُخْرَى. This means no soul shall bear the burden of others. Allah Almighty says in the Holy Quran, إِنَّ اللَّهَ يَأْمُرُ بِالْعَدْلِ وَالْإِحْسَانِ. Surely Allah commands justice and kindness. This blessed verse explains the true teachings of Islam. Islam is a religion, peace and safety. And in Islam, a human life holds great value. Those who ignore the true teachings of Islam should learn a lesson from this, and who give Islam a false image by supporting violence and bloodshed. Those who call themselves Muslim and kill innocent people through bomb blast and suicide attacks should also take a lesson. They wrongly believe that they are serving Islam. So, how should Muslims respond to this accusation? We respond with knowledge, good character, and unity, not anger. Young Muslims must focus on education, honesty, and positive contribution. When our character shines, false actions automatically break. India becomes stronger when all communities stand together. Let us reject hate and stand for truth, unity. Our strength lies in our togetherness. That's all about my topic. Thank you very much.